after literally 40 minutes on the tarmac, finally out of the airport. So Truong is picking me up right now. You guys may know him as Mike from Precision. So he's picking up from the airport, and I'm gonna grab some lunch soon. Dog, this fucking guy. Oh my god. Guys, so if you guys don't know, this is Truong from Precision, and he has an underground racing TT Gallardo. So we got one bag and a backpack. What's up, baby?
Maybe your backpack.
We'll see. Oh, it's so much smaller than I thought. Here, I'm gonna let you do this.
Alright, we good.
Oh my god. Give me a hug. How you doing, baby? Good.
Look at that.
Jesus Christ, dude. Oh, guys.
Some stuff in here.
Oh my god, dude. How you doing?
Good. Tired. I woke up at 10 today. I woke up at 10 and I saw your text after I got out of the shower. I was like, oh, I gotta go.
Yeah, and then I sat on the tarmac for 40 minutes.
Yeah.
But here we are in the Lamborghini. Mr.
Volkswagen.
TT. Volkswagen transmission?
Yeah.
What's it pushing?
Everything.
220 at the wheels?
It makes 220 at, actually at the tires.
At the tire, okay.
Yeah, it's a little bit more.
Gotcha. Okay.
Oh my god. That was 40% throttle.
Yeah.
Keep in mind, I'm on low boost right now, okay?
What's low boost?
1,000 wheel.
Jesus Christ. This should literally not be legal, dude, whatsoever. Like, you can't just go out and buy this. Like, this should not be a thing.
I mean, if you think about it, 720s are pretty fast from factory.
Yeah.
For like a factory car, that's pretty crazy.
Okay, I'm bracing myself for whenever you're gonna hit me with it.
That all depends on traffic, right?
Yeah. Dude, the shifts is fucking crazy.
Violent, right? Yeah.
I dig it.
I love it.
It's awesome.
I love this fucking car.
Doesn't want the smoke, man.
Told you, second gear is nasty.
They have no fucking idea what this is like.
No.
Oh my god. Okay, I'll put the camera down. Oh my fucking god. All right. Yeah. Oh my god. My legs are f***ing jello. Jesus Christ. Oh,
Now you actually have
dude,
real pull.
look at my fucking legs. Guys, by the way, I don't shave my shit, but like, I mean, look at my arms, just hairless. It's I don't know if it's like a genetic modification I got when I was a child, but guys, I literally have fucking goosebumps on my legs.
You awake now?
Yeah.
I needed coffee earlier, but I'm awake now.
No more.
Now I'm wide awake.
Literally about to close.
Guys, this car, I'm telling you, you guys have no idea what it is to experience this thing.
Thank you, my good sir.
Alright, time to go eat.
Yes, sir.
Guys, this is insane. Full carbon door. This car is